Welcome to another Goodnight video here at the NoCo Cat Cafe. We want to thank everyone who joined us this week and invite you to say goodnight to your favorite kitties in the chat. We're going to start by saying goodnight to Sterling. Good night, Sterling. He's giving kisses. Down here is Joker. Where are you going to, buddy? Good night, Joker. Over here in the window looking for the doggies is Zoe. Good night, Zoe. Pretty girl. Over here is Miney. Good night, Miney. Good night to Trudy. Good night to Espresso. Good night, Espresso. Good night to Emily. Good night, Emily. Walking past me over here is Mama Jean. This is Joker's mama. Good night, Mama Jean. There's Sterling again. Good night to Leroy. Good night, Leroy. Lady. Good night to Olivia. This one over here is Lady. Good night, Lady. Can we see a good picture of your face? There she is. Good night, Lady. Good night to Daisy. Oh, there she is. Good night, Daisy. Good night to Ellie. Good night, Ellie. Good night to the fishies. Over here is Camilla. She's so tired right now. Good night, Camilla. Oh, big stretch. We want to thank everyone who joined us this week here at the NoCo Cat Cafe, and we look forward to seeing everyone again next week. Good night.